As you can see, the diameter on screen of the penny is 140 millimeters. And we'll take a look and see what the diameter of the penny is. And it will probably be, as I suspect, approximately 20 millimeters. So it's got a pretty much of a 7x zoom on this. There's also an adjustable light dimmer right behind the base of the stand. And then there's also, as you can see here, either with the remote or on the monitor, I think you can take a short video clip of your work with that. And so pretty much that's about it. For what I will utilize it for, it'll be perfect.